Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of grapes. These tiny, juicy orbs are not just a delightful snack, they're a powerhouse of nutrients with a whole host of health benefits. From heart-loving antioxidants to immune-boosting vitamins, grapes have got it all. Join us as we explore the fantastic advantages that these little wonders bring to the table. Let's get started on this grape adventure together. First and foremost, grapes, particularly red and purple varieties, are rich in resveratrol, a potent antioxidant found in the skin of grapes. Resveratrol has been associated with various heart protective effects, including reducing inflammation and improving blood vessel function. Grapes are packed with antioxidants like flavonoids, quercetin, and catechins, which help protect cells from oxidative damage. This is crucial for preventing the development of atherosclerosis and other heart-related conditions. The potassium content in grapes helps regulate blood pressure levels. Potassium acts as a vasodilator, relaxing blood vessels and promoting healthy blood flow, which can ultimately lower blood pressure. Grapes, particularly red grapes, contain compounds like anthocyanins that may help increase levels of HDL cholesterol. This can contribute to a healthier lipid profile. LDL cholesterol can become harmful when it undergoes oxidation. The antioxidants in grapes help prevent this oxidation, reducing the risk of LDL cholesterol causing damage to arterial walls. Grapes have a moderate glycemic index, meaning they have a gradual effect on blood sugar levels. This can be beneficial for individuals looking to manage their blood sugar, which is crucial for heart health. Compounds in grapes, such as quercetin and resveratrol, may help prevent platelet aggregation, reducing the risk of blood clots that can lead to heart attacks or strokes. Regular consumption of grapes has been associated with a reduced risk of coronary heart disease, likely due to their combination of antioxidants, fiber, and other heart-healthy nutrients. What's more, grapes are a good source of dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble. This fiber adds bulk to the stool, making it easier to pass through the digestive tract and preventing constipation. The fiber in grapes helps regulate bowel movements by adding bulk to the stool and promoting peristalsis, the wave-like muscular contractions that move food through the digestive system. The natural fiber content in grapes can help soften the stool and stimulate bowel movements, providing relief from constipation. By promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation, grapes may help reduce the risk of developing hemorrhoids, which can be caused by straining during bowel movements. The fiber in grapes acts as a prebiotic, providing nourishment for beneficial gut bacteria. This supports a balanced and healthy gut microbiome, which is crucial for optimal digestion and overall health. Grapes contain natural enzymes that can stimulate the production of digestive enzymes in the stomach, aiding in the breakdown and absorption of food. Additionally, grapes are a good source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant known for its immune-boosting properties. Vitamin C is crucial for the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections. Vitamin C also enhances the function of various immune cells, including phagocytes and T cells, which play key roles in the body's defense against pathogens. Some compounds found in grapes, like flavonoids, have natural antimicrobial properties that may help the body fight off bacterial and viral infections. Chronic inflammation can weaken the immune system. The antioxidants in grapes help reduce inflammation, allowing the immune system to focus on fighting off infections. Grapes contain essential nutrients like folate and iron, which are crucial for the production of red blood cells. Adequate red blood cell levels are important for a healthy immune response. But wait, there is more. The antioxidants in grapes have been linked to improved cognitive function, including memory, attention, and problem-solving skills. Studies suggest that regular consumption of grapes may help support mental agility and sharpness. Some research suggests that the antioxidants in grapes, particularly resveratrol, may help reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. These compounds have been shown to have protective effects on brain cells. Certain compounds in grapes, including resveratrol, have been associated with improved blood flow in the brain. This can enhance nutrient and oxygen delivery, supporting optimal brain function. The bioactive compounds in grapes, particularly resveratrol, have been shown to have neuroprotective effects. They may help shield brain cells from damage and promote their survival. Some research indicates that resveratrol, found in grapes, may play a role in stroke recovery by promoting neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt and rewire itself after injury. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Furthermore, grapes are packed with powerful antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are known to help protect the eyes from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants are particularly concentrated in the retina and can help prevent age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. The antioxidants in grapes, including lutein and zeaxanthin, help filter harmful high-energy light waves like ultraviolet rays. This can help protect the eyes from damage caused by excessive sun exposure. Studies have shown that a diet rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, as found in grapes, is associated with a reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. Lutein and zeaxanthin, present in grapes, are essential components of the retina. They help maintain the health and integrity of the retinal cells, which are crucial for clear vision. Lutein and zeaxanthin, along with other antioxidants in grapes, can help improve contrast sensitivity, enhancing the ability to see in low-light conditions. The optic nerve is responsible for transmitting visual information from the eyes to the brain. The antioxidants in grapes may help protect the optic nerve, ensuring efficient communication between the eyes and the brain. What's more, the antioxidants in grapes help combat the signs of aging by reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. They work by neutralizing the free radicals that contribute to skin aging. The vitamin C in grapes can help lighten dark spots and hyperpigmentation, creating a more even skin tone. It inhibits the production of melanin, the pigment responsible for dark spots. Grapes contain natural alpha-hydroxy acids and salicylic acid, which can help exfoliate the skin, unclog pores, and reduce acne breakouts. The antioxidants also have anti-inflammatory properties that soothe irritated skin. The natural acids in grapes, such as tartaric acid, can act as a gentle exfoliant. This helps remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and reveal smoother, brighter skin. The combination of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in grapes can give your skin a healthy, natural glow, making it look more vibrant and youthful. Lastly, grapes are packed with antioxidants like vitamin C, resveratrol, and flavonoids. These compounds help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and supporting detoxification. The antioxidants in grapes, particularly resveratrol, have been shown to support liver health. The liver is a key organ in the body's detoxification process, as it filters and removes toxins from the bloodstream. Grapes contain nutrients that support phase 2 detoxification, a crucial step in the body's process of neutralizing and eliminating toxins. This phase involves the binding of toxins to molecules that can be easily excreted. Grapes are a natural diuretic, which means they can help increase urine production. This supports the kidneys in removing waste products and toxins from the body. They have also an alkalizing effect on the body, helping to balance its pH levels. This can create an environment that is less favorable for the growth of harmful microorganisms and the accumulation of toxins. Some compounds found in grapes, such as resveratrol, have natural antimicrobial properties. This may help the body combat harmful microorganisms and reduce the burden on the immune system. By supporting the body's natural detoxification pathways, grapes can help reduce the overall toxic load on the body. This can lead to improved overall health and well-being. And there you have it, folks. The incredible journey through the vineyards of health and wellness with grapes as our star. From supporting heart health to promoting radiant skin, these little orbs of goodness truly pack a punch. So why not make them a delicious part of your daily routine? Stay happy, stay healthy, and see you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.